Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. The other day I was just minding my own business, merging onto the interstate, and I look back and see this incident. A Cadillac cutting off a truck that was behind me in line. Now this guy comes out of nowhere and decides, oh, I need to get on the interstate. And decides he's going to cut in front of this truck. Well, of course, that leads to a little bit of road rage on part of the truck and the Cadillac once they got on the interstate. So I included that too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep these videos coming your way.
I plan on taking the weekend before and the weekend after. Yeah. The white truck?
No! Damn Cadillac tried to cut him off.
Oh. Trying to pass him?
Yeah.
Need a dog? Yeah, that is not a turn lane back there. Yeah, not a. He jumped out hauling ass. Did he cut off the Cadillac?
No, the Cadillac tried to cut him off. I got that on rear camera.
Yeah, they're not a. And he jumped out hauling ass. Did he cut off the Cadillac?
No, the Cadillac tried to cut him off.
They're both driving like idiots.
Hey you. Yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.